I was just busy watching some fireworks. They're so beautiful. I love to see them. You know what? I have a challenge for you. I think you understand chemical and physical change. So are you ready? I have a question for you to explore. Okay? A question. Now, this is going to be a lab, but maybe not a formal lab. We're going to do a little messing of. You show a chemical and physical change using heat. Heat? Heat, you say? Wait a minute. So let's talk about this. Heat. So I want you to think about what heat is and come up with an idea how you can show. Okay, so a hypothesis, big word, is an educated guess. So what do you think is going to happen when you try whatever substance, whatever you have at home? Can you show a chemical and physical change using heat? Now, time out for a second. Notice I said heat. That's the one thing that you have to keep in mind. So in our diagram that we're talking about, our Venn diagram, heat is in the center. How can you use heat to show a physical change of something? And how can you use heat to make a chemical change of something? Now notice, I didn't say the two somethings had to be the same. They can be different, okay? So, you have to get your stuff and go. When you do this, friends, you might have to have a parent help you, especially if you're using heat, okay? Now, I didn't say you had to use the stove. I didn't say you couldn't use a campfire, but you need to have parent permission, okay? If you're using something you normally don't use. You also need to ask the substances you're going to use. Because if you're doing a chemical change, friends, it isn't going to go back, is it? Okay? So grab your stuff and get going. While you're doing it, do some observations. Means get your video, because I want you to make a video of what you're doing to share. And you're going to upload it to Shobi so we can see your chemical and physical change. Okay? So make your observations. This is why you need a parent, because someone's got to run the video while you're doing your experiment. And then, once you do your experiment, show us why. Why is this a physical change? Why is this a chemical change? Can you make it go back? You can make it go back. It is a physical change. If you can't, it doesn't. So this why is part of your results, your conclusion. How are you showing us its physical and chemical change? Okay? Now, one other thing. Okay, besides safety, don't be using the examples we've already talked about. So know what? You can't be frying eggs, friends. No way. I already told you that. You can't be melting ice. Sorry, friends. Can't be melting butter. Sorry. Got to come up with something new, something out of this world. And don't forget, you need to do it safely with your parents. Okay? So once again, can you create a chemical and physical change using heat? Got it? Think about what's going to happen. You know what? If you do it and it doesn't work, try something different. Grab your stuff and go. Make lots of observations while you're taking video, and then explain to us why. Why is this showing chemical and physical change? I can't wait to see these. See you later, friends.